In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now just click on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!